Hello guys, my meat pie is ready to eat. Look at the meat pie, look at the color. Very crunchy outside, fluffy, you know. It's all ready to eat now. Look at the meat pie. Look how crunchy it is, how brown. Look. University to look at whether the policy implementation going forward should be different here in Scotland to elsewhere in the UK. Meat pie is ready. Meat pie for you. You can preserve this in the fridge or freezer. It can last for a couple of weeks or even months in the freezer. Whenever you want to eat it, you can defrost it. Have it with a cup of tea, cup of coffee, cup of peppermint tea, green tea, any herbal tea of your choice, any tea of your choice. You can have it with any kind of juice, smoothie, you know, you can have it as a lunch, as a quick meal, you know. Especially now the kids at home and the daddy's at home, you know. So guys, this is the meat pie now. So thank you for my subscribers and those who are still contemplating to subscribe. Please, can you quickly go and subscribe now, please? And thank you, and remain blessed. Keep safe. Bye. If not millions of people trying to make their way to work, but